What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm here at Flow Honda of Statesville taking a look at one of the brand new 2026 Honda Passports. And in today's video, we're gonna show you one of the simplest modifications you can do to your new Passport to keep it clean when you are experiencing the rugged aspects. This has become a very popular SUV these days. It gives you a good blend of a comfortable, nice crossover SUV, but it gives you some off-road capabilities in a pretty rugged vehicle at the end of the day. So with that said, if you're gonna have a Passport, you're probably gonna be taking it off pavement, and off pavement comes dirt. However, your day-to-day life, spilling drinks and foods, things like that, your floor mats are gonna get dirty. So here are a full set of the Lasfit all-weather floor liners. Check out the link down below if you have a Passport to pick up a set for your own car. So this kit is gonna give you everything you're gonna need. You have the fronts, the second row, you also have the cargo area, as well as the backs of the second row. So it's a nice kit, and one thing I really like comparing it to the stock ones, as you'll see, these have so much more coverage than the factory all-weather floor mats to really protect the interior very nicely. So here's a quick look at the factory driver's floor mat from Honda. It looks cool with the Trail Sport logo and everything, and it is rubber, so it'll do a pretty good job. However, this whole lip really isn't all too high. There's carpet exposed right there, same with the dead pedal. So realistically, even when you get a lot of mud here and take them out, you're gonna be vacuuming this whole edge, cleaning the carpeting, cleaning the door sill and things like that. So to go ahead and remove these, you're just gonna twist these to unlock them, and then grabbing a floor mat, we can easily lift it out. And installing the new one is pretty simple. Just tuck it underneath your pedals, get it into place. It's a little bit bigger, so you're gonna have to kind of wiggle it a little bit more. And just like factory, you're still gonna be able to lock them into place. They're not sliding, and there's even caps now to completely cover that. So I like to see that aspect, lock them into place, and then click them down. And as you can tell, the rubber is lining so much more of the carpeting, even the exterior door sill a little bit. So these are gonna do a much better job than factory, protecting everything on this driver's side, and then the passenger side, of course, is gonna match. Moving on to the second row, as you can tell, the factory all-weather floor mat is gonna cover the bottom of the floor well. However, once again, the lip isn't all too high, so when the kids are in the back getting mud, or maybe your dog or something, you know, you're still gonna be doing a lot of extra cleaning, given this doesn't cover all too much. And with the Lasfit liner installed in the second, you're gonna cover that exterior door sill, and then it's gonna do a much better job covering a lot more of the interior. That way, when these get dirty, just pull the whole piece out, clean it up, and you're gonna have no cleaning to do on the inside of the car. So that is definitely a really good plus. I like how perfectly it fits as well. Moving on to the back. So we're gonna go ahead, pull these seats down. You just have carpeting back here, same with the back. So obviously this is a very prone area to get dirty, especially if you're gonna put a dog back here, or just maybe camping equipment or things you're gonna have for the day. So for these backs, they're gonna be lined in the velcro, which is a nice touch, and you're just gonna line up the openings on the back side, give it kind of a press, and that is all installed. And it's really secure, so that's not gonna be sliding around at all. And from here, as you can tell, everything lines up perfectly. It's gonna work just fine closing and opening this seat, but you're gonna get all that protection on the backs of these seats. And in the cargo area, we just have the massive mat we can just throw in here. It's gonna fit very nicely. And what's nice, you can still open it from side to side, given it's flexible. Push it back down, and that one is all good. And then lastly, let's go ahead and install the final carpeted one, which is over here to cover this backside. Very simply, this Honda Passport is now all protected. So there you guys go. There's a quick look at the Lasfit floor liners for the Honda Passport. Again, as you can tell, these ones fit a lot better than factory, really doing a great job covering the entire interior. On all the cars that my brother and I own, we actually use Lasfit liners. Honda Civic Type R, his Toyota Tacoma, we went ahead and installed them just to keep the interiors way more protected. These are affordable too, which is a nice touch. And I like how these fit perfectly in your car. They're gonna protect so much of the flooring and all around it, to where when you spill things on it, when you get them dirty, just over time, you pull them out, wipe them off, throw them back in, and your car is clean, good as new. But there you guys go. Check out the links down below for the Lasfit liners for your own car. If you have a Honda Passport, check out the link down below. Get this set up for your car. That is it for today's quick video. I'll see you guys in the next one.